Hey you, welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are an OG. I'm actually going to be starting in my theater room today. It is a complete disaster. I have literally been living in here after work every day and just like using this as mommy's girly little room. I don't know, but it's a mess in here, and I think it's about time that I went ahead and clean it. So today you're gonna get some cleaning motivation in my theater room. I'm gonna do a little bit of laundry motivation for you as well. So I hope that you enjoy. Don't forget to push the subscribe button and like button. And let me show you my video. So yes, we have peanuts, and we even have a lovely bra on the floor. We have things in the windowsill, and then I went to wipe this down, and this is quite dusty. But of course we have pillows and blankets and cords everywhere, but this right here takes the cake. I had wine bottles, all kinds of cups. So let's start this cleaning. I did a good job so far, yeah.
You know exactly where to push or pull. And I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost there, but I keep turning back just like a bull.
So now what made me say, take the pillows off and look under the sofa? And this is what I found. So I'm gonna go get a Target bag and pick up all the big stuff and get this all cleaned up. We have socks and beef jerkies and fingernails and just all kinds of fun items.
My head is spinning on my shoulders, so what's the use of trying, baby? All the ways they lead to you, you're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road, and almost there, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a I keep on spinning like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning for you, like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang.
All right, so I have that done and clean, and now I'm gonna put the pillows back, and then I decided to go ahead and vacuum the pillows as well. But I'm gonna use this linen spray that I got from TJ Maxx. It smells just like a lemon orchard. It smells so good, and it actually lasted quite a while. So this is just a good thing that you can do if you want to freshen up your room. Just add some room cleaner to your furniture and get that all vacuumed up. But what have you guys been up to? I know, I did mention in my last video that I was going to be more consistent. But guys, I have been going through some things which I will definitely update you on in a next video. Just some things in life that has been going on that has been keeping me from recording, but I am really trying to get back on track because YouTube is truly what I love to do and where my passion lies. Also, of course, organization also, but I just want to let y'all know that I will try my best, even if it's just a short video, to just give you more consistent content of me. And I do want to apologize for waiting a couple more weeks before I did get another video out, but just know that I am trying, but I will keep you guys posted on what is going on. guys, I'm using the new vacuum that I had spoke to you guys about in my previous video. If you are interested, definitely check the link in the previous video below if you are interested in a very high quality vacuum that is not going to break the bank. I think it is just barely a little bit over $100, but it is very versatile. It is very easy to use, and I'm loving this little couch attachment that it came with. It made it a lot easier to vacuum this couch, and I actually used it to vacuum out my car, and so it was pretty easy. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check out my previous video before this one. Make sure you watch the video too, but also check the description box below for the vacuum if you're interested in it. But now we are coming to the end of this room. I did have my kids come in here and refold these blankets back because that's their job, is supposed to get the blankets put together properly, so that's why you don't see me doing that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this vacuumed, and then I have to go downstairs to take care of my laundry load. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. It is going to be a little bit shorter than normal also, but it will give you just enough motivation to get you guys moving for the day. So now I'm going to go ahead and get these towels folded up. Well, actually I just rolled them, which makes life so much easier. But I did notice that I had something on my nails, had no idea what it was. But towels is my ultimate favorite thing to fold when it comes to the laundry world. What about you guys? Is there like a particular thing that you just enjoy doing with a laundry? One thing about laundry for me is I do enjoy the washing part, but just not the folding and the putting them up. So that's what makes my laundry kind of pile up. What about you guys?
Hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in my bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. The thing is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but
So of course, walking into the laundry room, I noticed that the bar area was a little messy. So story of my life, I cannot just walk by and leaving it looking like that. So I did clean that up, and then I'm off to the laundry room. That's another thing that messes me up a lot of times. I will start a chore and then see something out of place and then start doing on that, and then it just messes me all up. It's a weird little domino effect that I go through sometimes. But now I'm just taking the clothes out of the dryer, and then I'm going to start a new load, and then that will be the end of today's video. So I do want to tell you guys once again, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you coming back every single time I do post, and don't forget to say hi to me in the comments and leave me a message. I always enjoy speaking to you guys every single time. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. It does let YouTube know that you do enjoy my content, and it makes me want to continue to video for you guys. But I hope you guys have a beautiful week. Happy Sunday, or whatever day that you guys are watching this video, and thank you so much for being here. I am going to go ahead and start a new load, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over. You keep missing the fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low.
Just in case you're wondering what I have going on here, I am using game pods, downy beads, and vinegar. Bye-bye, guys.
I'm falling behind.